Today is the day where we are going to weld a new headstock onto the front of this Manitou. Let's go. So if you're new here, we've got a little tiny Manitou, a little three-wheeler, which we love, but the headstock on the front is only designed for pallet forks. So all you can put on is pallet forks and slide them along. There is a way to be able to sort of make a bracket to be able to put buckets on and off with regards to bolting it on the front with these holes here. But the trouble is, then putting the pallet forks back on is always a pain. So we want to be able to clip them on and clip them off easily, like you can on a big Manitou or on a tractor and loader. So we have this weld-on Euro 8 headstock. So we're going to take the pallet forks off, actual forks off, and then weld this directly on to the pallet fork carrier. And then we can hook a new set of pallet forks on and a bucket and a grab and whatever else we want. So yeah, pretty cool. And who's doing the welding today?
I am.
Oh yes. Going to do some big welding, Monk, yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah, cool. Right, let's get on with it. Right, boom in. Or boom out, sorry. Keep coming. Oh, nearly straight. Look at that. Keep coming. Whoop. Perfect. Cool. Right, let's get it all cleaned up. Right, so we have measured and remeasured and make sure everything is level and square and everything is all clamped in, ready to be tacked. Everything's all cleaned up, ready to go all the way around. So nice, clean metal to be able to weld to. Actually, that's the point. I haven't actually ground off something to be able to put my earth clamp on. Better do that bit. But yeah, everything's good. So everything's all lining up nicely here. You see there's a little tiny gap there, right? Okay, because the headstock on the Manitou, I think, is slightly twisted, because you can see down there, it's even bigger. Okay, so we can fill that in, but we've left it down there because we think it's this bit, which is bent out slightly. We've worked that bit out, but we've made it absolutely square to the ground, square to the telehandler. So we're well happy where it is. Yeah, look at that. Right, let's get it tacked on. Go from there. First job, right, let's unclip the battery off the Manitou first. Right, looks like my main welder is ready. What are we using, dude?
Lincoln Electric Speedtech 215C.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it a good welder? Cool. What sort of size metal are we welding today?
Like 10 mil.
Right, so we better do the settings, don't we? Cool, let's do that. Right, so Max has tacked it in place. We're now going to plug the battery back in and tip it up so we're flat and welding flat, because it's much easier to weld flat than it is vertical. Going okay?
I am.
Are you? Oh mate, it's looking pretty good. Not bad for your first bit of big heavy welding. Good?
Yeah.
Cool. Go on then, carry on. Hey Maxie, it's not bad for a 10-year-old. Look at that. Nice. Yeah dude, high five. Boom. Right, as I said in the vlog last week, I picked up these pallet forks, but they've got trimmer brackets on, and some trimmer brackets will fit your headstock, but I don't think this will, so we might have to weld a different one on in a minute, but I've got a spare one, so it doesn't matter. But Max is just going to pick him up a minute just to see what happens. Put your windscreen wiper on, mate. Yeah. It's raining. Yeah, it might fit, but I don't think it's going to lock in there. I don't think they're quite the right angle. That's it. Pick it up. That's it. Yeah, no, we're not in the right place, dude, but go on, pick him up anyway. We need to move him and put the other bracket on. Yeah, so the trimmer brackets aren't going to fit on there, but it's a bit of a shame. Never mind. We'll weld on the proper Euro at Headstock to them instead. Yay, let's have some fun grinding. Right, so we've got the pallet forks into the workshop, but we've got a little bit of an issue. Let me show you. Right, so we've worked out that the trimmer brackets don't fit, which sort of I half expected anyway. Not a problem. I was hoping it'd just go on. It doesn't. But I'd already preempted that because I'd got this Euro bracket, Euro number 8 bracket. So that's there. But the problem is that Euro 8 bracket is wider than what the carriage is on the pallet forks. So we're going to have to build that out to be able to take these brackets, and we've got to cut off all this because I'd like it to go flat on the face there. So that means cutting off all of this, all of that to fit on the face. The thing is, these here are keeping those apart. So that's bracing those together. Take these and that out, and those pallet forks, there's nothing joining them together. So do I want to do that much work, or is it just worth buying ones with the right brackets on already? Put it in the comments what you think I should do. Yeah, so let me know what you think I should do with the pallet forks, but let's show you the headstock, because I'm well happy with that. Really, really pleased, because we now put the pallet forks on once we sort that out, but also buckets, grabs, and everything like that. Let's check this out. This is the Euro bracket, and they just clip on there. So you go in and clip it on, like so, and it goes in flush, nice and easy. You just lock it in, you just pull that pin across there, and down. So now when that's welded onto a bucket, or a grab, or our pallet forks, we just chop and change between those different implements really, really easily. So I'm well happy with that. Come have a look at Max's welding. Max's welding in there, eh? Proper. Well happy with that. And around here, dude. Look at this. Not bad for a 10-year-old, eh? So today's project has been accomplished by welding on the new headstock. Well happy with that. Max, you happy with your welding?
Yeah.
High five. Boom. Yes, cool. Really pleased. And now we're going to sort the pallet forks out, or get some other ones. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but we're also going to buy a bucket. So now we can put other attachments on. Really, really happy. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe. Bye bye.